Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to design a mobile app UI in Stitch. Okay, so first up, go ahead and log into stitch.withgoogle.com. And once you're in here, just make sure that you click on app right here, not web design, app design. Now, once that's done, you got to select the model that you would like to choose. Okay, you got to use redesign right here, which will let you redesign, okay, as it says, an existing app or site by using Nano Banana Pro. All you need to do is just go ahead and attach a screenshot of that app. But I'm just going to go ahead and use the default one right here, which is Thinking with Pro, a Gemini 3.0. Okay, well, so what you'll do next is just go ahead and grab your prompt or type it down right here. Also, you can go ahead and upload an image or web URL as a reference. Okay, now let's say I'm going to go ahead and make a prompt like, can you make me an app that lets users to design their own mouse or computer mouse? Let's be specific right here. Okay, and once that's done, just click on this generate button. Just wait for about 2 to 5 minutes and your design will be live. Okay, but do not forget to click on design all of them right here. Okay, there will be a reply from Stitch that says, design an app that lets user design their own computer mouse. We can start with the following screens. The initial screen to introduce the app, the mouse customization studio, component library, and the save and share design option. Okay, but if you want to add in some more, okay, like more stages and more pages, you can just go ahead and enter the prompt from here. Okay, and once that's done, just click on design all of them and just wait. All right, as you can see here, as fast as that, our design is ready. So what you do next, if you don't like the color of the background right here, you can just go ahead and click on the edit button and just click on edit theme. Okay, click on it. You can change the corner radius, change the font, and then choose either light or dark mode. And then I'm just going to leave the color as is because I like it. Now just go ahead and click on apply theme. Wait for it to load. Okay, and it will only apply to the page that you currently edit. Okay, there you go. As you can see here, it's much better now. White mode is awesome. If you want to do it on the other page, just go ahead and click on edit, change the light, change the radius, the font, however you want. Okay, there you go. Now, if you click on share right here at the top, enable this enable sharing and remixing option, copy the link. Okay, and send it to your partner. Okay. So you can click on more right here and view the code of a specific stage or page. Okay, copy it and continue working wherever you want. Click on more and download it if you want to, or export it if you want to preview it on AI Studio, or it could be via jules.zip, or add in some more prompts right here if you want to add in some more stages or pages. And that's basically it. That is how you design a mobile app UI here in Stitch. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.